Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Mastering idioms is key to sounding like a native speaker, adding fluency and flair to your conversations. Let's get started with 12 common idioms you can begin using today. Number 1 is to call it a day. Call it a day means to stop working on something. For example, it's been a long day, let's call it a day and go home. We proceed with to hit the books. Hit the books means to study hard. For instance, I have a big exam next week, so I need to hit the books tonight. Number 3 is to get something off your chest. Get something off your chest means to express something that's been bothering you. To demonstrate, I needed to get that off my chest. I feel much better now that I have told you. One more point to mention is to break a leg. Break a leg is a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. To illustrate, break a leg tonight. I know you'll do great in the play. Come up with your examples below. Following this, to bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Take this case for instance. I didn't want to have surgery, but I had to bite the bullet and go through with it. Subsequently, to let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. For example, don't let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Furthermore, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. For instance, we only go to that restaurant once in a blue moon. It's so expensive. Let's now consider to see eye to eye. See eye to eye means to agree with someone. To demonstrate, my brother and I don't always see eye to eye, but we are still close. We continue with to get cold feet. Get cold feet means to become nervous or afraid right before doing something. To illustrate, he got cold feet before his wedding and ran away. Share your ideas in the comments. Now I would like to mention to add fuel to the fire. Add fuel to the fire means to make a bad situation worse. Take this case for instance. Don't add fuel to the fire by arguing with them. In addition, to get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means to start something. For instance, let's get the ball rolling on that project. We are already behind schedule. Finally, to take a rain check. Take a rain check means to postpone something. For example, I can't make it to dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check? We have covered 12 common idioms to boost your English fluency. Practice this and you will be speaking like a native in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which idiom is your favorite. See you in the next video.